Hi, this is the Vacuum and Sew-In Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to repair a Bissell bagless vacuum cleaner. Okay, first of all, we're going to check the belt here. Down at the bottom down here, we have got, normally there'll be about 4 screws on most Bissells. I just took most of them out just to show you how to do the belt change real quick here. But on this particular machine here, if you don't have a genuine belt handy, a Panasonic UB belt works just fine. All you do is you put the belt right over this little metal spindle right here, which is actually the motor there. So we got the belt right over the metal spindle. Then from here, we're going to just take the roller brush. Whoops. Just came undone on me there. Okay. So now we're going to take the roller brush. We're going to stretch it on over just like that and seat in the roller brush. Every time you put a new belt on any vacuum, turn it by hand. See, this is stuck. If I turn this vacuum on right now, the belt will pop right on off. So what we got to do is turn it by hand until it's nice and free. So from here, you're going to put your bottom plate back on. And there's going to be 4 screws, but for the commercial here, to save a little bit of time, I'm going to just put in 1 screw just to hold the bottom plate there. So on this particular machine here, is their bagless model, and so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. 4 screws normally hold this in place. Okay, so on this machine here, you want to check to make sure that you have any clogs right here. If you got a clog, remove it, and this is pretty much see-through right here. Next thing what you want to do is the hose on the back of the Bissell, you want to check for clogs on the hose. Pull the hose off like this here. If you want to really check for clogs here, take yourself a penny or a dime or a nickel, whatever you got in your pocket here, run it down the hose there and it'll pop out. So we have no clog here. So from here, you just put that back in, let it lock like that, put it back in like this here, and presto. So you got no clogs here, you got no clogs in the hose. Okay, let's check the filters here. On this particular machine, you got a couple filters here. Let me lie this vacuum down here so we can probably get it. You got a front exhaust filter, which is a washable filter. You can pull it out, wash it, put a little Febreze in there. That's what we do a lot of times. Then down at the bottom, you got another filter down here. This is the one everyone forgets. They don't know they have it here. You open it up like that. Open it here, pull it out. You can wash this, blow this part out here. When you're done, let it lock back in like this. It'll go back in on the bottom here. Nobody knows about this filter. Even though it's there, a lot of times there's dirt in there and you don't notice that it's a filter. So check that one. Then last but least, most Bissell vacuums will have another filter in here or this piece here. What you do is you unlock this, you turn it, blow it all out really good, put it back in, and put it in like that. And then you got your dust cup. This is where all the dirt will go when you empty it out in the garbage can. Put that back in just like that there. Push this up and that locks it in. And that's all there is to do on a Bissell upright vacuum cleaner bagless machine.